Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today's I'm here with new tutorial, elegant crystal beaded earrings. Let's start with 4 crystal beads, 3 mm multi-shaded, very elegant beads. 4 beads we have taken in the start. Now we are making some knots here to secure it. Tight it. Now start with passing our needle through 3 mm crystal bead. We have added one golden seed bead 8 and we have to add it 3 more times. We will add in the same way one golden seed bead each time. In this way we have added 4 golden seed beads between crystal bead, multi-shaded crystal beads. This is the first round. Now next step, we are adding 2 silver seed beads each time. 2 silver seed beads will be added between golden seed beads. We have beaded in the last round we beaded golden seed beads 8. We are adding between these golden seed beads 2 seed beads golden silver 8 each time. 2 silver seed beads 8 we will add 4 times. We will do this process 4 times. We have added 4 times seed beads, silver seed beads 8. Now we are going to next step. We pass through golden seed bead 8 and now here we are adding 2 crystal beads 4 mm with 1 multi-shaded 3 mm crystal bead between 2 crystal beads 4 mm. We are using in this earring aqua blue color crystal beads. Color 4 mm crystal beads are aqua blue color. Very nice color, very cool color, and the combination of colors as usual very elegant. I always try to choose attractive colors. You can see now we are adding 2 more crystal beads 4 mm with 1 3 mm crystal bead passing through golden seed beads which we beaded last round. Now we are adding these crystal beads aqua blue color passing through golden seed bead 8. We are adding. I hope this project you must try. You would like it. It is very elegant and very lightweight earrings. We are passing through golden seed bead 8 and here we are adding for the last time this round, adding 2 crystal beads 4 mm with 1 3 mm crystal bead multi-shaded. Now starting the next step, we are passing through silver seed beads, then we pass our needle through crystal beads 4 mm. Now pass through 3 mm crystal bead, then again pass through crystal bead aqua blue 4 mm. Here we will add one 3 mm crystal bead multi-shaded 3 mm crystal bead between 4 mm crystal beads. We are adding, passing our needle through aqua blue crystal bead 4 mm crystal bead. Now pass through 3 crystal bead 3 mm, then again pass through 4 mm crystal bead, and now here we are adding again one 3 mm crystal bead. We will do this the same process 3 times more, 3 times. Total we have to add 4 crystal beads 3 mm. We have to add these beads one by one 4 times between 4 mm crystal beads. We are adding very simple but very attractive, cute, elegant earrings. This project, its pattern is very simple, very easy to make. It will take no time, no more time, no long time, no long process. As you can see, it is quick and easy to make project. This tutorial, when you will try, you will see it is very easy and it is very quick to make. Easy process. Now it's time to attach our earring wire, earring hook. We are taking 2 crystal beads 3 mm with our earring hook, 1 crystal bead 3 mm plus earring hook plus 1 crystal bead 3 mm. Now pass through 3 mm crystal bead, and we have added our earring hook here, and earring wire is added here. We will pass our needle through crystal bead 3 mm 2 times to secure it. To tight it, we will pull our thread again and again. As you can see, I am doing here the same thing to secure and tight our earring wire and set it correctly. Now we are passing a needle through crystal beads, and we are making here some knots to make it secure. We will trim our thread, extra thread we will trim here. After making knots, we will trim the extra thread. 2 or 3 times we will make knots. Pull the thread tightly, make it secure, and now trim the extra thread. After cutting it, its corners will be fined with lighter's flame. So now you can see its final look. Our elegant earrings are ready to wear now. I hope you would like this project, today's tutorial. And I must say, try to make these earrings with same color combination. You would like it. And kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel. Kindly I request you, encourage me. I work very hard for making these tutorial videos, so please subscribe my channel, share, like, watch my videos fully. So it's the end of this video, and I hope you must try, you would like it. I will say bye now. Take care. Allah Hafiz and bye bye.